Today it's the 11th of July 2022. We have it's Sokerilinnantie Sokerslotsvägen 5 sticky C here. Som är the up button on the screen. Here in Leppävaara, Alberga in Espoo, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, also Finland. It was built in 1996, early 1996, but still with those 1000, not series 1 anymore though. But it was built between 1995 and 1996. It says 1995 on the bunker.
Yeah.
And its number is being 1874. The capacity is 4 persons, so that's 5 grams. It will be expecting 8,024 and has 5 floors. Well, still, this has 2 rights because it's scenic.
Yeah.
Får man använda det?
Yeah. Teet pakki vain, me ei tee pakkoa.
You go see the contemplate from there.
Yeah.
But still, definitely, you can call them scenic because you have a view to the outside. Even though it's a net shaft in between, but still counted as scenic. Of course. And the thickest A is as inner scenic one.
That's